Are you looking for the best Serger sewing machine? In this video we will look at some of the best Serger sewing machine on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description, so make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Starting at number 1, Brother 1034DX machine. This is the newer version of the Brother 1034D that we've reviewed below. So in case you are looking for the latest model, this is the one you should get. It has a great design and comes with plenty of great features that you'll like. The price of this Serger sewing machine is pretty economical that everyone can afford. There is no big difference between Brother 1034DX and Brother 1034D except the design. With the design you are easily able to differentiate between both, however the features are the same. This Serger sewing machine is capable of sewing at a speed of 1,300 stitches per minute, which is quite good. It also comes with a 3/4 thread capability to add more flexibility to your project. The color-coded threading directions help you understand where to place different threads. It makes threading Serger sewing machine super simple even for beginners. The trim trap, which can be removed easily off the Serger, collects fabric trims, waste as you serge your project. When you are done, simply detach the trim trap and empty it. At number 2, Singer ProFinish Serger machine. Singer ProFinish 14CG754 Serger sewing machine is a beast when it comes to the best Serger sewing machines despite being very portable. Its 2-3-4 thread selection makes this Serger a unique Serger sewing machine in this price segment. It comes with a number of other features that make Singer ProFinish 14CG754 one of the best choices even for the beginners who just started. The diagram placed on the front of the Serger and a color-coded guide threading system makes starting with your first ever serging project an easy-peasy job. This Serger machine is capable of giving a neat and professional look to your serging project every time. The differential feed and color-coded lay and threading system further makes it an easy-to-use Serger sewing machine for newcomers. This Serger sewing machine has 4 built-in rolling hams with an easy-to-turn rolled hamming mode option. It comes with free arm to make sleeves and cuffs easily. The machine is capable of stitching up to 1,300 stitches per minute. One can easily adjust the width and length of the stitches with a knob based on the requirements. It also comes with a built-in adjustable cutter, which you will not find in other sergers because it is generally found in some high-end Serger sewing machines. At number 3, Brother Designo Series DZ1234 machine. Brother Designo Series DZ1234 Serger is the best choice. There is plenty of good features that make this Serger sewing machine a great choice for beginners as well as intermediates. This particular Serger model from Brother brand can help you design your new serging project or hem the existing ones with ease. Brother Designio Series DZ1234 Serger comes with 3-foot gathering foot, blind hem stitching foot, and pipe foot that makes your project even more interesting and fun. With gathering foot, you can give a professional look to your wardrobe. The blind hem stitching foot lets you decorate a variety of fabric. Such kind of foot is an ideal choice for attaching laces or fabric or giving a professional finish to the edges. It comes with a free arm, flatbed convertible sewing surface for making cuffs and sleeves, an easy-peasy job for everyone. At number 4, Singer 14T968 DC Serger. The third pick on our Serger sewing machines reviews is the Singer 14T968 DC Professional Serger, and the best part of this sewing machine, it comes with cool accessories along with loads of features. The Singer 14T968 DC model comes with 2/3, 4/5 threading capability and is ideal for professional use. Since this sewing device offers a variety of stitching options, you get the opportunity to have outcomes with professional level quality. The Singer 14T968 DC Professional Serger sewing machine has a sewing speed of 1300 SPM, which allows you to complete your orders faster. You can avail a limited warranty of 25 years for the sewing machine head, limited 2-year warranty for motors, and a 90-day limited warranty for belts, rings, and others. At number 5, JUKI MO654DE sewing machine. The JUKI MO654DE portable thread serger focuses on meeting both the industrial and home sewing needs. No matter you're a beginner or pro, this sewing device can really be an absolute solution to all of your sewing needs. The JUKI MO654DE portable thread serger has 2-3-4 threading system with an automatic rolled hem. You'll find color-coded threading looper that allows external adjustments options for differential feed and stitches length, a significant advantage for the professionals. We've really liked this feature. The JUKI MO654DE portable sewing machine includes a huge bonus kit that accompanies loads of accessories. In short, a complete package for the professionals. This Serger sewing machine is very strong and durable and comes with a very exclusive design and style, thus, making this device an ideal choice for both the advanced and beginner level users. This warranty period varies for motors, switches, light assembly, and others. Additionally, you'll get a 5-year limited warranty from the manufacturers. However, this warranty period varies for motors, switches, light assembly, and others.